提
mention,
mention.
我跟他提过了
I mentioned it to him.
I mention it to him.
对于那件事，他一个字也不提。对于那件事，他一个字也不提。
He didn't say a word about that matter.
He didn't say a word about that matter.
提起这件事，我就生气了。提起这件事，我就生气了。
I get angry when I mention this.
I get angry when I mention this.
别提了，我不想再说了。别提了，我不想再说了。
Stop it, I don't want to say it anymore.
Stop it, I don't want to say it anymore.
以为
Think. Believe.
Think. Believe.
他以为这房子是他买的。他以为这房子是他买的。
He thought she bought the house.
He thought she bought the house.
他以为那个女人是他的妈妈，原来是他的继母。他以为那个女人是他的妈妈，原来是他的继母。
He thought the woman was her mother, but it turned out to be her stepmother.
He thought the woman was her mother, but it turned out to be her stepmother.
他以为这个玉镯是真的。他以为这个玉镯是真的。
She thought this jade bracelet was real.
She thought this jade bracelet was real.
很多人以为新的一定比旧的好。很多人以为新的一定比旧的好。
Many people think that the new one must be better than the old one.
Many people think that the new one must be better than the old one.
份
Measure word used for job among other things.
Measure word used for job among other things.
那份工作很辛苦，工资又很低，所以我不想干了。那份工作很辛苦，工资又很低，所以我不想干了。
The job was hard, and the pay was low, so I didn't want to do it anymore.
The job was hard, and the pay was low, so I didn't want to do it anymore.
我喜欢现在的这份工作，同事对我很好，另外，工资也不错。我喜欢现在的这份工作，同事对我很好，另外，工资也不错。
I like my current job. My colleagues treat me very well. In addition, the salary is also good.
I like my current job. My colleagues treat me very well. In addition, the salary is also good.
为了增加收入，他在商店里找到了一份兼职工作。为了增加收入，他在商店里找到了一份兼职工作。
To increase her income, she found a part-time job in a store.
To increase her income, she found a part-time job in a store.
他已经发出了许多求职申请，他有信心找到一份工作。他已经发出了许多求职申请，他有信心找到一份工作。
He has sent out many job applications and he is confident of finding a job.
He has sent out many job applications and he is confident of finding a job.
完全
Completely. Absolutely.
Completely. Absolutely.
他所说的完全正确。他所说的完全正确。
What he said is absolutely correct.
What he said is absolutely correct.
他完全相信那个骗子所说的话。他完全相信那个骗子所说的话。
She completely believed what the liar said.
She completely believed what the liar said.
我和他的看法完全不同。我和他的看法完全不同。
He and I have completely different views.
He and I have completely different views.
想要完全解决这个问题，就必须找到更好的方法。想要完全解决这个问题，就必须找到更好的方法。
If you want to completely solve this problem, you must find a better way.
If you want to completely solve this problem, you must find a better way.
赚，赚，
Earn.
Earn.
大学还没毕业，他就急着赚钱。大学还没毕业，他就急着赚钱。
Before graduating from college, he was eager to make money.
Before graduating from college, he was eager to make money.
他在这次交易中赚了很多钱。他在这次交易中赚了很多钱。
He made a lot of money in this transaction.
He made a lot of money in this transaction.
为了想赚更多的钱，他每天都加班。为了想赚更多的钱，他每天都加班。
In order to make more money, he works overtime every day.
In order to make more money, he works overtime every day.
调查，调查，
Investigate. Survey.
Investigate. Survey.
调查结果还没有出来，我还需要1周的时间才能完成。调查结果还没有出来，我还需要1周的时间才能完成。
The results of the survey are not out yet and it will take me another week to complete.
The results of the survey are not out yet and it will take me another week to complete.
你的调查结果写得很好。你的调查结果写得很好。
The results of the survey are well written.
The results of the survey are well written.
市场调查结果与我们的想法完全相反。市场调查结果与我们的想法完全相反。
Market research results are completely opposite to what we thought.
Market research results are completely opposite to what we thought.
谢谢观看。